humbled leather. Alright, let me... Wait. Hold up. Before I go, let me make sure that I got everything I need. Hold on, let me see. Come on. Wallet back in the bag. Okay. My kicks. Phone. Okay. Alright. We good. Let's... Can't go without the music. Hold up. There we go. Alright. Alrighty, we out. Let's go. Oh, come on. Freaking geese, man. Look at this. Geese. Move. Move out the way. Come on. Move. Move it. Go. Go. Watch out. I'm coming. Here I come. Woo. Alright, y'all, listen. So, let me turn the music down. Alright, y'all, so check it. Listen, I gotta get gas real quick. There's something on my lens. What is that? Something on my lens. Wait a minute. Alright, y'all, look. So, I'm at the gas station right quick. I need to get gas. I'm on my way to work. I like these Jarrito joints. These are dope. Not a bad sneaker. Y'all know I don't like dunks. But, these are clean, very clean sneaker. Very comfortable. I mean, it is what it is, but it's just the way that they put these together that I really like. And there's like a lot of hidden stuff on the shoe. I mean, you cut the canvas off. The canvas there's some orange underneath there. I'm not sure what's underneath the Nike swoosh. I'm assuming that it's orange as well, but it's definitely dope. I'm digging all of the little things that are on the shoe that I really like. You know, the branding, outsole is dope too. You know what I mean? Nothing bad about the sneaker. It's just a nice shoe and it's put together well. I like the earth tones, all that stuff. I'm about to grab gas though because I gotta hurry up. There'll be more on foots throughout this video. I'm probably just gonna end it off with the on foots. Y'all go check out the plug. The plug has these. This is a very good pair. Definitely nice. There's the internals right there. Super clean sneaker. Super clean sneaker. All right. Yeah, man. Follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on TikTok. Follow me here. Thumbs up the video. Share the video. Like the video. All those good things. Just do it. You know what I'm saying? We got more videos coming up. I'm not sure what else I got in the bag for y'all. Just know that I got a lot of stuff. Like I said, a giveaway will be coming. I am going to give a pair away. It won't be this pair. It might be the previous pair that I did. And I do got some other sizes. Generally, everything's a 10.5, but you guys will see when I get on the live. We'll do something crazy, all right? Until next time, y'all stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. Enjoy the rest of these on foots, and I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces. All right, we filled up. It's full. We got gas. Let's get it.